Hi, my name is David Burns, and I'm with GeoWebWorks, and I'm here to walk ARCIS users through basic functionality of our tool set. To start with, this is a web-based program that runs exclusively on Internet Explorer, so we're not able to bring you maps and any of that kind of functionality through Mozilla, Firefox. You must use Internet Explorer. And in addition, if you're a new user, there are some ActiveX controls that you need to download that allow you to see maps and production graphs. So contact your IT administrator to get those things installed on your machine. Once you've logged into GeoWebWorks, there's basically two main pages that you're working from. Reports homepage, where you can see various reports on wells, pipelines, lands, those kinds of data sets. And also a map page, where you can look for wells of a certain characteristic, look for lands with certain expiry dates, look for pipelines carrying certain substances, those kinds of things. And as I mentioned before, once you've entered your username, which is your email address, and the password, which has been assigned to your account in your welcome email, you're going to come to this first home page that we're looking at right now. Now, like I say, you can search by area. So from upper northwest township to lower southeast township, you can pull up all the wells that fall in that configuration. You can search by a specific location, and basically you can enter the LSD here, the section here. If you're not familiar with which specific UWI you're looking for, but you're pretty sure it's in this area, you'll notice that these will wildcard certain values that you're searching for and bring everything in that fits that. You can also then build a well list of a variety of different wells in one place, and then search for those wells and bring them up in the well table, which we'll talk a little bit more about in a minute or two. You can also do a radius search based on a location. You can search for wells in a particular field, and you'll notice if you double click on those fields, it'll bring up all pools that are associated with that particular field. And if you're looking to grab 2 or 3 fields or that are in an area and combining them, you can append your searches together, so you get all of the wells in that specific search under one grouping. You can search by license number if you have the license number. A little caution, some people look for BC locations with a 0 on the front. We advise you to just put the numbers in for a BC location, otherwise you might miss the BC location, because in our system it doesn't have the front leading 0 in all cases, and you might only find Saskatchewan or Alberta wells with the same number. So when you're looking for BC, just place the numbers, no 0 on the front. You can also see that we've divided the wells or the new license information into various regions. So you can basically search within those regions if you're interested. You can also search by operator, so you can pull up all the companies, and you can pull up all the wells specific to, say, a specific company. So Border Acquisition Corporation, if you're interested, you can pull up all the wells associated with that company. And you can also search by pipeline if you have approval number, or you can pull up all the pipelines of a specific operator. We have a producing formation table. I wouldn't really advise people getting too worked up about this area unless they're very familiar with the relative ages of various geologic zones. And finally, you can also pull up wells by unit. So you can pull up all the unitized production from a specific unitized program. Now I just want to take a minute here and just emphasize a quick couple of points about how our search windows work in the search area. And I want to use operator as an example. Let's say you wanted to find again all the wells owned by Border, and then maybe you wanted to combine it with another company just to show you how the append functionality works. So what you need to do is you need to click inside the box where the companies are listed, start typing the name of the company, and you'll see it pop up. And you can even hold your shift key and select two entities at once if you wish. And why not? Let's pick all the... Actually, we'll leave that... we'll leave one of those borders alone. So we go OK. We'll hit OK. This will pull up the search and throw them all into the well table, which again we're going to talk about in a little more detail. But let's say you realized you wanted to add that other border entity to your search. So you could go border. Now you've got this one, you've got the second one, but oh, there's two more border that maybe we should have included with our initial search. You can grab those wells. Oh, there's even a third one. You can grab those companies, such as they are. You can go append search results to the default list. And then when you go OK, you're now going to have both sets in your table. So that's essentially how the search functionality. Make sure when you're looking for fields or operators or those kinds of things that you click inside the box first until one of the entities is highlighted, then start sort of searching for what you're looking for, or scroll down until you find what you're interested in.